Hello everyone, hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala yung video ko kanina. So, tadaima, I'm back, I'm home. So, this is my day today. Maaga akong nag-roaming around somewhere Kashiwa dahil inutusan ako ng anak ko na bumili nga ng ganitong chips everyone. Actually, binigay niya sa akin to, may natira pang konti. Sabi niya, tikaman mo ma, kasi kawawa ka naman. Nagulat ako sa presyo, ang mahal nito, 500 guray pala to. Pero in fairness, ang sarap niya everyone. Ang tigas naman, so mamaya na. Basta this one everyone, ang sarap niya. Sa Don Quixote ko nabili kasi binili daw niya to doon sa iChicken kasi on Sunday nagpunta sila ng iChicken dahil binisita niya yung shota niya doon. So yan, sabi niya masarap, inutusan niya ako pupunta ng Don Quixote sa Kashiwa. So Kashiwa is a very near with me, so doon ako napunta. And then I buy this one. I think it's so cute and I love wearing this one at night time. I love this one because spring and summer na, so I need some new inner. Actually, ang dami kong mga lingerie, ang dami kong mga ano, pero ewan ko lang, ganyan tayo kung anong makikita natin na maganda, talagang bumili tayo. Ganyan lang talaga tayo, wala lang. So, and I buy this very cute jeans, no, na corduroy, baby pink color. Ang cute niya everyone. So, and ganito yung style sa baba, it's a very trendy style. So, yeah. Stretchable siya. So, I'm sure magkasya sa akin. No? And also this jumper short style everyone, and it's L size. And wala lang. Feel ko lang na makipagterno ako sa anak kong babae. Dahil feeling young pa ako. And of course, dumating ito kanina, tinanggalan ko ng plastic. Asa na yun? Tinanggalan ko na ng plastic kasi wala lang. Nakyutan talaga ako dito. Natuwa talaga ako this one everyone. Guess what this one? Actually, it's just like a Christian Dior lipstick, everyone. But this is a selfie stick. Look at this one. Natuwa talaga ako dito, everyone. Perfect na perfect. Lalo na pag mag-out of town kami ni Daddy, magbakasyon kami, or kung saan-saan kami pumunta. So, ako talaga, mahilig akong kumuha ng mga pictures, mga videos. So, talagang meron na akong selfie stick, everyone. And it's very cute. And this one is a Bluetooth everyone. So, marami na kami makukuha ni Daddy ng mga video at mga pictures kasi this is a Bluetooth everyone. So, ang cute niya everyone. Para siyang Christian Dior, no? And besides this Christian Dior, like a Christian Dior selfie stick, I have this one. Tinanggalan ko ng plastic dahil wala lang. Nakyutan lang ako. Nakyutan lang talaga ako sa pink because I love pink. So, this is a Christian Dior cotton buds and cotton puff. So, I think it's so cute. Wala lang. Talagang wala lang. Nakita lang talaga ako everyone. And I think bagay siya sa aking makeup table. So, makeup area. So, this is my Christian Dior cotton. So, atong tilawan ang Christian Dior. Actually, I'm using the Chanel cotton puff everyone. And, yeah, I found this one. Wala lang, mahilig lang kasi ako mag-collect everyone. So, and I think it's so cute. The color also is so cute. And lagayan also, it's so cute. And then kung makikita nyo everyone, diba? Hindi ka na mahirapan. So, I think it's very, very cute. So, this is all about what I have for today. So, thank you so much everyone. Wala lang pagora ang beauty ni Ate Red. But, yeah. Galing ako doon. And then, natuwa yung bilan ko dahil binilan ko din siya ng mga inner. So, natuwa siya, binihisan ko siya, and then, wala lang. She's happy for me. So, bye everyone, and thank you so much, and have a lovely day. See you tomorrow again. Actually, today talaga everyone, I'm wearing my Gucci thong sandal dahil mainit talaga ngayon. Actually, it's a spring. It's not very, very hot, but talagang hindi na kailangan mag-jacket dahil talagang nainitan ako everyone. So, yeah. And this is my day. So, this is my outfit for today. My long bohemian style dress. No? So, this is and I love the details in this dress, and I love the spring and summer because makapag-outfit na talaga si Ate Red ng bonggang-bonggang-bongga. So, bye everyone, and kisses always, and thank you so much for following me, and thank you so much for the views, and thank you so much for the heart. Kisses always.